Good morning student. Welcome to all student your YouTube channel Study with Prince Sir. Dear students, today is your topic direct and indirect narrations. We can tell it's direct and direct narrations or speech also. Student, first topic is what is direct speech? When a speaker tells about directly from to his listeners, it's called direct speech. And when a speaker tells to anything to the our or his listeners indirectly, then it's called indirect speech. Students, here is much important to understand. Follow the some importance rule. First, need to understand what is direct speech and indirect. It was the definition and differentiate between the direct and indirect speech. Students, now here is two part of direct speech. First, reported speech. Any sentence which we read or write before the comma is called direct speech or direct reported speech or reported word. When any statement after comma, in the inverted comma we written the statements is called direct speech. Reported speech and reported word. Differentiate reported word written before the comma and reported speech written in inverted comma, as like any statement which states by any person. Students, it was the some identity for direct and indirect narrations, direct speech or indirect speech and reported word and reported speech. Student, listen once again. What is reported word? Reported word we call its reported verb to, which written before comma, and which statement written in inverted comma it's called reported speech. Students, now we can understand the rule of direct and indirect speech. First rule is changing in pronunciation. This change in that, these, those, he, is, she, her, I, me. Student, this state was